It is genuinely quite hard to deny Hadoop's influence on the big data ecosphere. Most applications run today require Hadoop in one form or another. Hadoop allows us to store big data and process it using HDFS and Yarn respectively. Furthermore, it gives us an ecosphere of tools that we can use to process our data, analyze it, and even secure it. This is why Hadoop is one of the most commonly used frameworks to this very day. However, installing it is not as easy as just clicking next, next, next and install. There are a few configurations that you need to do, and specifically if you're using Hadoop for many computers, this video is not for you. We're basically installing it in pseudo distributed mode, which basically means that the data is not on separate computers. It is in separate JVMs, Java Virtual Machines, on a single computer. There's also local job runner, where it uses the local file system and Yarn for the processing part. And the actual mode, the fully distributed mode, requires multiple computers. So we won't be doing that. We'll be simply doing pseudo distributed. The process isn't as difficult as it may seem. You just have to do a few configurations and then you're done. Set path variables and copy the binary. So to start, first download the Java 8.0 JDK, because the latest versions don't really work well. You could use them if you like, but I would recommend using 8.0 or some version after 8 up till 9. And everything other than that, you don't need much. You need the JDK, you need Java SE, and you basically need to download the Hadoop binaries. I've also provided a configuration file in the description below. You can download it. Other than that, let's get into the video. So first of all, to install Java Jdk, you need to go to the website. And here we download Windows. You can choose either version that you prefer. Then we'll need Hadoop. Let's download the binaries. The Apache website. The 3.3.3 is available. You could download that. I have downloaded the 3.2.3, but here's the binaries. Let's click on that. And I have already downloaded, so no need to do it again. Here are the files that I've downloaded. The third one I have provided the link for. You can download it from the description. So let's start with the Java file. Next. And here we need to change the folder. We go to C and make a new folder and name it Java. Press OK and install. That is done. We'll close it. Let's open the environment variables so you can set them. Environment variables. Create new. We'll need to create one named Java_home. And we'll need to provide the path of the file. Actually, it's in program files. We install it there with Java Jdk. Cut it from here, and we'll paste it in Java, the outside file. And we'll need to provide the path of the binary file. Java_home. And actually we'll need to provide /binary bin, and then we'll set the path. Here we'll add the bin files path, and done. Okay. Let's check. Java, it runs. Let's just verify that we've installed the right version. --version, and it is fine. So we've installed it properly. Now we'll need to install the Hadoop. So to do that, we have the star file. We'll extract it. Extract. Oh, we got errors. We lack proper permission, so we'll run it as administrator. I wonder if we could do no. So let's look up in raw. Not here as well. Maybe we could do we could open the program files and then run the executable as administrator. Here it is. There. Run as administrator, and we'll open the the archive. Open and extract to here, and replace all. Yes, all. And done. We should have files right here. Yeah, we do. And we'll cut this folder and paste it inside. Let's make a new folder here. Let's name it Hadoop. And paste it there. We need the path for it, so go to bin, copy the path. We need to set the environment variables. Open environment variables. New Hadoop._home, and the bin path. Okay. Actually, not the bin path. Actually, we should put the bin path, I think. Okay. And add the path, and we'll need to add the bin path as well. This folder. Okay, and I think we're done. Okay. We're done with the environment variables. Now we need to configure, so let's go into etc Hadoop and open this with VS Code. Yes, I trust. Let's open the XML file core side. You need to write this here. Let me indent it. Save it. And we need to open MapReduce. There it is. And write this here. Save it. And we need to open the onsite and write here this. Save it. Last one is HDFS site. We write this here and save it just like before. But we need to make new folders. So let's go to Hadoop, the Hadoop parent, and make actually it's capital H. In Hadoop, we'll need to make a new folder. We'll name it data. Actually, yeah, the data needs to be non-capitalized as well. So D, and inside data we'll make two new folders. First one will be name node, the second one will be data node. So name node, data node, and name node. And we're done. So we added core side, HDFS side, and MapReduce side, and yarn side. Done. So I think we're done with the configuration. So let's go into Hadoop, binary, and we have not properly pasted it yet. So the file I've provided extracted, and inside of it there will be a bin file here. Copy all things and go to the folder, the actual bin, and select all, paste, so we can replace all in the destination. Yes, all but one are pasted. So this is what we need to do, and I think we're done. So you could technically restart now, but you don't have to. I will not be restarting. So let's open command prompt. Let's run hdfs name node dash format, not spaced. There's an error. It says we forgot to edit. Yeah, I think we forgot to edit the path. So it's in Hadoop, or not here. It's in Hadoop. Let's see, in Hadoop, this one, binary. No, it's not in bin. It's in, I think it's in etc. Yeah, it's in etc. So in etc, let's make sure. Yeah, etc, Hadoop, and where is it? env. Here it is. Let's open with code. And yeah, we forgot to edit the Java home, so we need to provide a path here. I think, yeah, we forgot to provide the path here. Gave the incorrect one. So we'll open the environment variables, the path we provided for Java home, copy it, okay, and paste it there and save. And we don't need the bin. Let's open command prompt and run hdfs name node dash format. And it's running correctly, so we can execute it. We have executed it properly. You can see it's providing us different files, and to quit this process we'll need to press Ctrl+C. Let's go up a bit, and let's press Ctrl+C to provide an interrupt, and it will shut down. Now one last thing, we'll change into the directory of, come on, let me paste into the bin directory. Yeah, actually not in bin, in etc, not here as well. In Nesman, my mistake. Start all, here it is. So copy path, let's cd into that, enter. We're there. Let's run start all, and here we run.